What smells would you make into a candle?
Now, this is the thing, is that I spend a lot of time but looking around at stuff. I don't spend a lot of time buying necessarily, but I do shop.
Gathering information.
So I feel like this is something you could make happen if you wanted to. But
Now, I don't know if some of these things exist or not. I'm just
okay.
So
I'm kind of a simple candle person, so I like I just bought an apple cider spice candle, and that's good for me. I bought like a peach one recently, or no, I think my sister gave me the peach one, and then I have like this tropical smell one. So I'm not really hard up to get a smell on a candle, or if I wanted fresh cut grass, I think they have that. So what about you?
Fall in the woods. Like 35 degrees and light wind, that type of smell.
Yeah. They probably have something similar.
I don't know.
I don't know. We could find it.
I'm sure we could find something like that.
I jokingly said farts.
I think if I'm asking, if that question goes to all of you listeners, I think some of the answers would be my grandmother's kitchen.
Oh, yeah, stuff like that. Like
my parents' basement, that type of thing, that nostalgic. I can't have them back, but I want that smell because that brings back thousands of memories and so much wonderful time.
And yeah, for sure. And I know a lot of people like food candles, like food smell candles. Sometimes those just make me hungry. I had this pecan waffle maple one, and it just made me crave pancakes. Yeah, and I was glad when it burnt out.
But yeah, I think we could get the capture of some of those. But Grandma's kitchen, Grandma's homemade cookies, I don't think those. That's just a wishful want that, but never going to exist. Fragrance.